Okay, second graders, our last song, Marching Off to Washington. Here we go. We're marching off to Washington today. We'll stand before the Congress, we will have our say. We'll face them proud and tall, united one and all, and tell them in a most respectful way. We know you have important things to do, but we would like to read our Bill of Rights to you. Our future is at stake, please give us folks a break. Oh, won't you try to see our point of view? We realize our cause may take a fight. It's worth it if they pass the buggy Bill of Rights. Then bugs across the land can all join hand in hand, just going buggy to their heart's delight. We're hoping that our congressman will say